Hi everyone, welcome back to Chotu Creations. I'm Naveen. I'm going to unboxing Canon printer. This is the model number Canon PIXMA ink efficient, and we have auto two-sided print option and mobile device printing, auto power on off, hybrid ink system, and we have color and black and white system. We have and ink cartridge compatibility. We have. So they mentioned here we have a Wi-Fi option is available, and different options they provided. And if you see the contents in the box: printer, power card, and color cartridges, black and one color, and one CD available. Let us open this box. This is the price receipt. We got this around 6,100 rupees plus GST 540 rupees. This is the power card, good quality. Very good packing as well. We need to handle very carefully because this Canon printer cheap and best price, and with a delicate material it has built. Actually, I observed this is a very delicate material. It is not a robust device, so we need to handle very carefully while installing and while operating as well. By looking itself, it looks like somewhat bulky. Means of course it's lightweight only. This is for our office purpose only. We bought this, and we have multi options. We can do Xerox here, and fax is available, color printing, black and white printing, and many options are available here. And if you see that backside of that printer, that was old printer used in that railways actually. So it was a very disturbing, and it is not perfect for printing, and it is not after printing it is not visible perfectly, so that we choose this latest printer for printing for office purpose and all. So I have seen that a lot of difference between that old printer and the new printer as well, because old printers are making very nice. Old printers are very noisy and irritating as well. The printing quality is very bad with the carbon printing press. So we prefer this for our office purpose. This is a very good option for us. So let us see once. They mentioned over there on a different type of wireless printing, scanning, and mobile printing, and through laptop and through system, everything they print. Whatever the options provided is very good actually. Here is the original price of this printer, 9,625 rupees actually, including all the taxes. This is the user manual. Actually, we are very struggled to installation this printer. By reading this user manual only, we got to know how to install and how to remove some plastics inside, and so that we can easily install. So this is very useful for us, though the installation manual is very useful for while installation. So by seeing this and by observing this only, we are installed that perfectly. So they provided CD as well on how to install and how to use this printer, and this box is containing that color cartridges. We have a black and white, black colored cartridges one, and one colored cartridge one, and we have that RJ45 cable, like LAN cable, and one is for USB cable to connecting laptops and the power systems. See, we can observe there is a black cartridge and a color cartridge. These are the very small, I think. They said that black we can do 47 printings and colored we can do 57 printings. And this is the USB cable. We can connect to printer to systems and laptops as well. Let us install this color cartridges into the printer, and we will check the how printing quality, how it works. Let us keep it outside. See here,
pull it already,
and we have an option. Left side is for black color, and right side is for the colored.
That is a black colored one, no?
Cartridge to keep it inside. We are trying to keep it inside. Actually, we need to press a little bit forcefully, otherwise it won't connect. It looks like some sloppy. Firstly we connected like that, but it support code it shows that it was error.
Lift up. That's
we have tried to do Xerox with that option only, but we didn't get actually. Let us observe here. We are not fixing perfectly there, so that we cannot do Xerox here. We are trying to force them. Actually, we need to pull it back. Insert the cassette into the device, it shows.
side again. Keep it. Like
So what it means, we need to, that cassette is there on the bottom of the printer. We need to pull it back, and so that it can detect that there is some A4 size or some papers available.
No, it will become like this.
So we need to do as per the requirement.
Press OK.
And we did so. we did black and white Xerox right now. Yeah, it's very fast actually. I can't believe this actually. Yeah, very nice. Very nice quality.
Correct, no?
So it has multifunctionality and multiple options available. So it will be very useful for offices and homes and everywhere with a cheap and best price. And that too in these big billion days, we got a very good offer price. And tomorrow, I think tomorrow 10th of October is the last date for this. And if you want, check in the Flipkart. I will give the description. I will give the link in the description below. Check it once. And thanks for watching. And if you have any queries about this printer, just comment on the below. I'll definitely reply. And subscribe the channel for more updates. And thank you very much.